Oh no! You know, for people like us, we move around quite a bit, and oftentimes we have to eat outside of home. And with the number of cases that's happening now, I think it's better to just tapao something and then go and stop at a convenient place and eat, lor. Oh no! So careless. Hey guys, that little accident you saw just now? Well, it was deliberate lah, and here's why. You know I'm a kind of a DIY guy and I like to wash my own car. So I actually came out with a video washing my car, and I used the Karcher K5 pump. Well, the people at Karcher saw it and then they got in touch with us and asked, would you like to try our new machine? And this machine is very good for cleaning car cushions. And we're going to try to clean the cushions of this car, which have not been cleaned for the last 10 years. And that machine is the Karcher Puzzi. This is the Puzzi Professional Model 8/1C from Karcher. Let's unbox it. Wow. This looks like the accessories and it's packed in one box on top. I can't wait to see lah. This is the machine. Okay, let's take a closer look. Okay, this is the power cord. Yeah. And let's see. Okay. This must be the dirty water. You know? And okay, so the clean water goes here, and we are supposed to put a tablet. And here is the washing switch and the suction switch. Okay, so one is to shoot the water, one is to suck the water. So both must be on at the same time. Okay, let's try to put them together. Okay, this one. This is for the cleaning solution. So putting is very easy. Just push hard. Done. And this is for the vacuum. Yep. And this one, again you just push. Done. And the vacuum hose, just push and it's in. So as you can see, the installation is quite simple. So now all we have to do is put in the water, put in the tablet, and we are in business. Okay, here's where you put in the water. This is a self-contained system with a capacity of 8 liters. Okay, that's the water filled, and we have to put in this cleaning tablet. Okay, after the tablet was dropped in, there seems to be some kind of effervescent action where it's kind of like bubbling and it's now filling the whole container with the cleaning agent. Okay, so we are ready to start. And you see here, this is the nozzle where the cleaning liquid comes out. And here is where the vacuum suction hole is. So as the liquid comes out, it gets sucked back. And this one is the trigger. Of course, the machine is not on yet. And also the instruction is never push forward, always go backwards this way. Of course, we'll start with the chili sauce here. But these seeds have not been cleaned for 10 years, and I think the results are going to be very, very interesting. The Karcher Puzzi has got a rated power of 1380 watts, and even from the sound you can tell that it's very powerful, right? Insofar as reliability is concerned, Karcher is a household name already, so we should have no problems there. But most important of all is the cleaning action of this machine. So here you have 2 seats, and this is the one that I cleaned very simply. I just did a couple of passes, and that is a seat that has not been cleaned. So you can see the difference. This machine is really great, man. Next, we're going to clean half of this seat, to see if there's any difference. And for that, we have taped up half the seat with a masking tape, and we're going to start cleaning this side. Okay, so here's the finished product. This is the part that's done, and that's the part that's not done. I can see some difference, but maybe it's not so obvious because the rear seats are used less than the front seats. But the result is actually in the bucket down here. Let's see the result of it. Oh my God, so black. Okay, we're going to try to clean the floor mat now. And since this mat is removable, we have taken it out of the car. But you can see here it's quite dirty, and there's also Poppy's dog hair. Okay, so here goes. Well, we did half of the mat, and you can see the result is quite obvious. Let's do the other half. Okay, I emptied out most of the water, but this is the dirt that was left behind. See how dirty it is? Puzzi is a specially designed machine for cleaning carpets, upholstery, mattresses, textile materials, and car seats. With the Puzzi spray extraction method, the water and cleaning agent are sprayed deep into the carpet while simultaneously vacuuming the dirty solution back again. Dirt is dissolved and removed in a single pass. Due to the low residual moisture, carpets are dry in next to no time. The Karcher Puzzi is a self-contained unit, and other than the power cord, there are no hoses or pipes attached to it, so it's very easily mobile. Besides, there are also wheels, and you can just push it along to wherever you need it next. And guys, other than cleaning your car seats and cushions, you can also use this Karcher Puzzi to clean your household carpet and your sofas and any other things you might want to clean in the house. And that's the reason you're going to tell your wife why you need such a machine. Remember, happy wife, happy life.